Hey, welcome to Master JavaScript in 16 days by building 16 projects. In this course, we focus on building 16 projects that will take you from beginner to advanced level in JavaScript. Before we go through the projects, I want to talk with you about what you need to enroll in this course. What you just need to enroll in this course is the HTML5. You don't need any CSS experience because we will not be focusing on the CSS. The code of the CSS, you will find it in the source code. You don't need to worry about the CSS because we will not code it together in the videos. And also, you don't need any JavaScript experience to enroll. By the end of this course, you will be having a great ability to build professional JavaScript projects. And now, let's go to the projects. So, this is the first project we have in this course, the Stopwatch project. When I click on the start, we will start the interval. And then when I click on the stop, it will stop. Start again, and reset to set everything back to 0. Again, when I click on the start, reset, and start again, stop, reset. So, this is the first project. Let's go to the second one. So, this is the second project in this course, the alarm system. The first thing it will ask for here is the hour. So we can make here 23. And for the minute, let's make it 44. For the second, let's make it 0. And when the time is the same as here, this text will change. Here we got the third project in this course, to-do list. When I enter a task right here, it will be printed here. I can add more. And then I can delete what I want to delete from here. Like that. And now, let's move to the fourth one. And this is the fourth project in this course. The random background color. As you can see from here, when I click on change background, there's a random background color that will appear for me. And now, let's move to the next project. Hey, and now, this is the last project for the beginner level. Using the for and the while loop, we will find the difference between two numbers, this one and this one. We got 5 projects for the beginner level. And now, let's move to the intermediate level. Okay, so this is the first project for the intermediate level. We will learn how we can use add, remove, and toggle the classes. Right here when I click and get pack. This is the purpose of the first project in the intermediate level, how we can add, remove, and toggle. Let's move to the second one. And here we got the second project for the intermediate level. So let's delete this password. And from here, let's click on sign up. Name is required. We can type any name here. Sign up success. Email is required. So I will type any email right here. Success. And finally the password. Password must be greater or equal to 10 characters. So I need to add more. Sign up. And now it succeed. Let's move to another project. Okay, so this is the third project in the intermediate level, the drum kit. We will know how we can use the functions on the JavaScript to make it more advanced for the projects. And when I click on any button from here on the keyboard, so this is the third project. Let's move to the fourth one. Okay, and now let's talk about this project, the strong password checker. According to the input of the user, we will check whether the password is strong or not. When I click anything right here, and then your password is too weak, and then I can do like that to click on show or hide, and then I can add a number. Your password is medium, and then I can add a symbol, but not yet. I need a length for this password. When I add more, your password is strong. So we will use the JavaScript functions to make this work. And now let's talk about the fifth project in the intermediate level, the parallax hover effect. When I hover anywhere inside this card, we will find this changing like that. Using the JavaScript, we will know how we can make this work. and also you can apply it to any project you want. Most people think that animation on scroll is difficult, but in this project we will know how we can make more than an animation using the JavaScript using an easy code like that when I scroll down right here and again. And also we will learn how we can add more effects to this scroll. The last project for the intermediate level, the dice game. The idea of this project came from the CodePen. When I roll the dice, and when the input is 1, it will switch the player. Like that. And when the current right here is more than or equal to 100, I will click on hold and it will make me a winner. And the background color and the CSS will change, and this will be done all by JavaScript, so we don't need to worry about the CSS. Okay, so this is the first project for the advanced level, the calculator. We will know how we can make a calculator using the JavaScript. As you can see from here, when I type anything, a multiplication, and the idea of the project came from the YouTube. And when I make a division, like 2, 3, 2, 3, 5, 4, 0, it will get me the result. And also when I add here, I can delete a character from here and the AC, and I can make it like that, and it will get me the result. Let's move to the last project for the advanced level, and then we will move to the API. Okay, and here we have the Google Maps API project. In this project, we will know how we can use the API to insert the map into our page. That's not all. We will also learn how we can add markers, locations, add marker when I click on the map, and also we will learn how we can detect our location and print it on the map. Okay, and here the weather app project. We will learn how we can find the weather anywhere in the world just by clicking on the search, and this is all by using the API. And now we're learning the two ways to add the API, as the Google way and the fetch. Can't wait to see you in the course. Let's start our journey.